In this video, we'll be going over a brief history of the Python programming language. The development of the Python programming language started out in the late 1980s by the programmer Guido van Rossum. He developed Python as a hobby in the Netherlands, and he introduced the first version in 1991 as version 0.9.0. He then introduced version 1 in 1994, and it arrived with greater readability and productivity compared to other languages. Python 2 was released in 2000, and Python 3 arrived 8 years later, with integer division conversion and function for print. As for integer division conversion, Python kept integer as the output when you divided two integers, while with Python 3, the output is converted into a float value. So for example, if you divide 10 by 2, if you divide 10 by 2 or any two numbers, the output will always be a float value. For a function for print, in Python 2, it was a statement, and in Python 3, it became an entire function. And that's a brief history of Python. Thanks for watching.